So, since my friend Gracie moved, I haven't been to our house. Let me turn on this AC. Right. Please turn it on. I haven't been to Gracie's house. I mean, I tried to go there. I dropped off food the other day but they did have like a birthday party on our street, and it was like road drum park. And I said, I never have done with a park, so I just hit the road. But I called her a while ago. She said, must come over the house, carry something for her. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna bring something for her, but first, I know she on her way from work. She stopped at the supermarket because she come cook. I stop at Burger King, so I'm gonna get a sandwich. The line is full up. So I'm gonna call her and see if she want anything at Burger King. Let me hear what she has to say first. Let me call her first. Let me hear what she has to say because she's so feisty. Tap on speaker. Turn up the phone.
Yeah. What you doing? You just left Tropical Sun.
Gracie.
I left Tropical Sun.
Me stop at Burger King. Me stop at Burger King. I want to see if I get some.
Alright, me just left Tropical Sun. I try you don't get what you get.
You want anything?
No.
You see how much?
I don't want to full up my belly now.
Oh, you know I'm not drunk?
Nope.
Okay. I said I never offer you and don't get you're not getting none of me. You're the ag.
Yes.
No sir.
When you cook good food, you know, for me. I don't want no burger. Leave me alone.
You there? No sir. Miss who come, yeah?
Alright.
Miss who come? I want me not even know which part. I want me find my way. I'll hang up the phone. Watch there. She hang up. Not a manners. I have to sit down. And I make her eat my burger. I forgot the number also. Gracie said should I and me I call Gracie and Gracie not answering. So can you imagine? I have to sit down and eat my meal when I buy for go sit down in her house and eat and talk. Yes, Gracie do me that. Me I call her and she not answer. Me no remember which house she there. So, me struggle to get parking a while ago. Me have to reverse almost 1 mile to get a parking. Me see somebody pull out. I'm joking so far, but me have to reverse so far up to get a parking. And if Gracie knows say me can't bother, she has stressed me. I have to eat my burger because she not answer her phone. Let me try to call her back. Because if she think me I play with her today. Park up out of Gracie yard and out of Gracie house and Gracie no. Gracie. You know see me I call you all long.
Make me phone the run here so I'm in the kitchen.
Gracie, let me tell you something, man. I come in your yard.
Too much, man. Come in and see you outside. Come.
You know, for me, I have to reverse to get a parking a while ago.
No, me tell you, say if we don't come straight in the driveway.
Me
never move my car and make your park there.
Me never hear. Me have to reverse. We are up now to get a parking and sit down in the car eat my burger because... Yeah.
Come back down. You can't park this, alright?
Of course we can park. It's a parking.
Okay, well park and come then. Come, the door.
But me don't know which house.
What?
So the other one, Gracie yard now. I finally reach stress. Nothing can go so. I want to look here. Oh, Gracie expects me if I come up go up these stairs here. She think they are 5? Gracie! Me cannot come up these stairs. Take off what kind of shoes? If you slide me up these stairs there? About my bad Shelly. That's why me I sweat so. What's she in here though?
run home from work, you know, see me in my uniform,
I know what ya.
Me in my
I
uniform,
cook soup.
same way. I cook.
With cow foot and chicken foot.
And beef.
What ya?
Don't let out my beef.
Oh, yeah, beef. So you have to put too much meat in our soup. No one
Because of my business, you're too fast.
Yeah, there.
And my business, that's how my mama taught me.
Yeah, there. So me in a Gracie place here.
Okay? That's all my mama, that's the come on my yard for.
Yeah.
Give me what you give me. You're too much.
This is where me want change, you know.
What?
Me covered in a grey, me like it. You know, so me actually look on it where they not in here. Who you?
Me don't want no accoutrement.
Kupayo.
Keep your accoutrement.
No, sir.
Where you go, right?
I'm call Roy, the man where they fix the basement, and me I tell him say, me want change out my cupboard them in a grey or something, change out my kitchen in a grey. And look at that, me come over here and see grey kitchen. Yeah. I'm gonna go up on the internet and look, you know, me say me no want no white, me no want no brown, me no want my kitchen cupboard too dark. Yeah. And change it on. So Shirley, Gracie.
Bad.
Yeah. Yeah, same way so. Gracie tell me God left me from which part she did live. Where we did live. So Shirley, so Gracie have an extra room over her house.
Guest room, not hometown guest, I said. Outside guest.
She have an extra room in her house and so she has set it up for guests. Some say, okay, so sometimes when I want to chill out, I can come over here and just sleep. She said no.
Outside town guest, may I make it clear to you, you're not coming from outside town? So why would you want to come? Eh? And I encourage nobody to leave their husband and come down here. No. Outside town guest. So if you're coming from outside town, fine. Alright?
Gracie has sell me out.
Me not sell you out.
We can't even come over here and sleep.
Me never say you can't sleep for one night.
You there? Boy.
One night. What do you think? Eh? You ever encourage you with the foolishness?
What kind of foolishness? To come over here and sleep?
Come down here? No. She said, Gracie, and start coming here? No. No. One night. If I know one night, you can't come.
You there? You there?
No. Sure.
One Gracie dash me away. Yes. Gracie dash me away. I have our people them over here call her Queenie. Me over here Queenie. And me say, wait there. Me hear it again and me say, what ya? How name Queenie?
A resident at work.
Shirley call Gracie Queenie. So she don't name Gracie no more, she name Queenie.
Shirley.
Here there.
What?
Here Gracie.
And one resident don't want to get shower. And I go shower and she said, look at this one with the fucking spaghetti.
What?
Yes, because I used to have the rest them time there. And she said, I want to hold you and pop out your spaghetti, then you think you's a queen? You think you's a queen?
Oh my gosh.
When I work with me, run outside and let me laugh.
She mean.
And come tell them, she's Italian, yes.
Oh.
She was an Italian. She said, you think you's a fucking queen inside here?
What? Wow. She used the F word?
Yes.
Wow.
That woman used to cuss with that rotten.
She bad.
And COVID killer her. Actually cry when COVID killer her. Yeah, she was
Wow.
the first resident. Although she cussed me, I love her.
Shelly over here call Gracie Queenie. And then I go ask me if me jealous.
Our work name.
Papa Jesus. Shelly say if me jealous. Me not have the camera on, but me have to tell her no. She go ask me if me jealous. So Gracie move out for me, gone about her business and have people over here call her Queenie.
Hear this woman. Stop
Me hurt. Yes, me hurt. I'm have to talk the things them. Me. Let me tell you something. For the time being when me there, so please say Gracie and not Queenie. Okay?
Put a name there. You alone know me here got a name there. I'm not used to that. What you say?
Yeah, that. She a rub it in. No, sir. She a rub it in.
That's my work name.
Oh my God. So no friend Gracie they a cook up a storm in her kitchen. She not even care me go tour her place. She said me for go and go look.
Well, you always over this office?
You will hear when me say when me posy. When me posy. And at the time you go hear when me say. Tande them me go a Gracie yard today. Come over here, what day, yeah? And they have piece of tambourine, the African Empire Street. So I couldn't park, so I just left. Drop off our food and gone. See there? Finally there today.